Twisted steel once ran through Cleveland like veins, bringing industry to the city's pumping heart. This lift bridge was once a part of those veins. Built in 1907, this is the story of the Cuyahoga River Jackknife Bridge number 464. Raindrops fell against the rusted and decaying metal hulk that is the Jackknife Bridge. It's a part of the history of Cleveland's industry, a history that goes back many years. The parcel of land that would become the city of Cleveland was first surveyed by the Connecticut Land Company in the year 1796. The city would be named after General Moses Cleveland, the leader of the survey team and a major investor in the company. By the year 1800, the company reported that the city of Cleveland only had 3 residents. By 1807, when the city would become the county seat of the Cuyahoga County, it would only have 10 residents. The city would see a population surge during the War of 1812. It would become known as a market town, where farmers could go and sell off their stock. Due to developments in transportation technology and the construction of the Erie Canal, railroads, shipping routes, and roads would be constructed going through Cleveland. This connected it to the rest of the country, and it would see a massive surge in its population and industry. John Rockefeller would found the Standard Oil Company inside of Cleveland. Rich iron ore and coal deposits were found around the city, and soon Cleveland would become a steel production powerhouse. By the 1880s, nearly 20% of Cleveland's population was employed by the steel mills. At the dawn of the 20th century, Cleveland's railway system was being expanded in order to help move all this coal, iron, steel, and other material all over the world. During this time, several Scherzer bascule-style bridges were constructed throughout the city. The Cuyahoga Jackknife Bridge number 464 was one of these bridges. The Cleveland Flats were once the industrial valley of the city, full of steel mills and refineries. All of these plants were constructed next to the Cuyahoga River. This is where the bridge would be constructed, connecting to a railway system across the river. The bridge was also capable of lifting up to allow freighters and ships to pass. With a length of 230 feet, it would be a part of the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. The King Bridge Company and Pittsburgh Construction Company would build the bridge. When construction was finished, it was the longest Scherzer rolling lift bridge in the world. Because of this, it was an engineering marvel at the time. It is also among the oldest railway bridges in Cleveland. But this bridge wouldn't be in use forever. By the late 20th century, Cleveland's industry began to change, and many of its steel mills, iron mills, and coal mines would begin to shut down. Because of this, many bridges along the railway lines were no longer necessary. Most of the railway has been dismantled. However, some of the bridges, like the Jackknife Bridge number 464, still stand today. A historic landmark and a reminder of Cleveland's industrial past.
We were tender-headed and bold. Now we're wild.
The historic Jackknife Bridge is a reminder of Cleveland's industrial past. It's a very cool place. It will never be forgotten.
like you.